its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release, but Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
All right, hello. Just want to give you an update. My son and he helped me as we pulled out the rest of the carrots, and there's still more in the garden, of course, that are growing. But this is some of the harvest for the organic Harlan seed-grown carrots. From root to harvest, friends. What can we learn as a spiritual application? Well, it's simple. It's similar to trees, where the digger you deepen the root, the deeper the root will appear, but also the deeper the top part, or the outside. What we see on the outside is a reflection on the inside. So the deeper our spiritual walk and experience, the taller spiritually we can grow. Alright, hope this encourages and helps. And don't throw out the top of the carrots, because these are very nutritious. I just showed that in my last video. Very nutritious and packed with loads of nutrients. Alright, so enjoy. Happy gardening.
Hello. Hope all is well. And I pray that you find Jesus every time you visit this channel. So I hope you were blessed by that short video on some of the harvest update. I just want to share with us an encouraging extra object lessons from the root. I was taken from Proverbs chapter 12, verses 1-3, and it says, "Whoso loveth instruction loveth knowledge, but he that hateth reproof is brutish. A good man obtaineth favor of the Lord, but a man of wicked devices will he condemn." Verse 3, "A man shall not be established by wickedness, but the root of the righteous shall not be moved." And so, I don't know about you, friends, but my prayer for us is that we are amongst the righteous, where we shall not be moved. We should not be shaken, because Jesus is our rock. And I just want to share another quote of encouragement in regards to root, taken from Adventist Home 425.4, and it reads, "The true courtesy must be motivated by love. So the most careful cultivation of the outward proprieties of life is not sufficient to shut out all fretfulness, harsh judgment, and unbecoming speech. True refinement will never be revealed so long as self is considered as a supreme object. Love must dwell in the heart. A thorough-going Christian draws his motives of actions from his deep heart love for his master. Up through the root of his affection for Christ," I'll repeat again, "up through the roots of his affection for Christ springs an unselfish interest in his brethren." And so I hope this encourages you, because righteousness is right doing, and part of right doing is having unselfish interests to our brothers and sisters and their welfare. Just like how Christ was, he mingled with men and sought their good, and then he bid them to follow him. And so this is my prayer and encouragement, friends. Be of good cheer. Happy gardening. And to those who are new to this channel, I pray that you find Jesus every time you visit. Keep me in prayer as well. And I wish you all the best, and continue to stay rooted in the rock of our salvation, which is Jesus Christ. Bye for now.
Get right right with God. His pardon is free. Get right with God. He's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling. Oh, come unto me. Take him, O sinner.